Hi, I am Lakshmi and this is Career Educators. In the video, exercise 7.5 la irukra question number 3 solve பண்ண போறோம். Questionல என்ன கேக்குறாங்கன்னா, evaluate the following limits. If necessary, use L'Hôpital Rule for the function limit x tends to infinity x divided by log x. இப்போ இந்த problem எப்படி solve பண்றதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Given limit x tends to infinity x divided by log x. First stepல கொடுத்திருக்கிற functionல limit directா substitute பண்ணணும். Substitute பண்ணோம்னா we'll get infinity divided by log x ல infinity substitute பண்ணோம்னா we'll get log infinity. Next stepல further simplify பண்ணோம்னா we'll get infinity divided by log infinity ஓட value infinity. So we will get infinity divided by infinity. Infinity divided by infinity is in indeterminate form. So we have to apply L'Hôpital rule. According to L'Hôpital rule, we have to differentiate numerator and denominator of the function. Differentiate பண்ணோம்னா we will get limit x tends to infinity. X differentiate பண்ணோம்னா we will get 1. Log x differentiate பண்ணோம்னா we will get 1 by x. Next stepல x numerator எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டோம்னா we will get limit x tends to infinity x. இப்போ நம்ம limit apply பண்ணலாம். Limit apply பண்ணோம்னா we will get infinity. Infinity is not in indeterminate form. Therefore, limit x tends to infinity x divided by log x equal to infinity. We have completed this problem. Further, உங்களுக்கு doubts இருந்தா description boxல WhatsApp link கொடுத்திருக்கோம், contact பண்ணுங்க, will support you. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.